Hi, I'm Alex, CEO and one of the co-founders of the Data City. This is a quick video introducing our platform for use in the context of corporate finance, venture capital or private equity customer base. So essentially the way to think of our platform is like you have merged Google with Companies House. And we also have an integration with Dealroom, which pulls in equity investment, M&A activity. So the sort of sweet spot is when you're looking to find companies within a particular sector. So perhaps you're a private equity firm supporting a buy and build strategy, and you want to identify that there are targets that your investee can then go to acquire, or you might be acquiring them on behalf of someone you've already invested. And you're looking for technologies or sectors. So first of all, we have over 400 emerging economy sectors which might be relevant. But also you can use our platform like Google, so you might want to type vertical farming in, just as an example, as a search phrase, and you can build quite complex search strings, and then find interesting companies within this, so let's find one of the larger ones. But then you can also isolate companies by growth stage, so what size are they, when are they incorporated. You can look for more innovative companies, perhaps within, this uses website text to find innovative language patterns, so you might look at traditional industry but you want to find an interesting company, or growth rates, where we've estimated growth rates for 2.4 million companies. Going back to this list, we might want to have a look at one of these entities, and at the firm level, we've got company data that we scrape from the website, social media profiles, LinkedIn. This one's part of a group, so quickly you can identify that. We've got import and export data. We've got detailed company financials going back up to 6 years. We also can identify companies that do a similar thing based on how similar their website text is, so you can use this as a sort of discovery approach, or competitor identification for DD. Got growth metrics, so company growth rates, turnovers, and also any funding, or if we had investment data for this one, we'd also see previous investment rounds here. We've got directors and cap table, in this case a holding company. You can click to visit the holding company and investigate the cap table there, or if it's an IPO'd company, identify that that's the case. SIC codes, our Arctic codes, their geographies, all their trading locations, local and definitions of local authorities, etc. And also the jobs and skills that the company's advertising over time, which also can be a useful indication of the health of the business, potential growth indicator. Any list that you're looking at, you can become an instant expert in the sector. So you can say, right, I'm looking at vertical farming companies. Have a look at this. How big is the sector? How many people does it employ? Is it growing? Where is it based? And what's the financial performance of it? And if you're an investment sort of side of things, you can also have a look at the investment attractiveness. So how many rounds of funding and what's the total amount raised by that sector, and equally any grant view of that data. There's loads more to show you, including a sort of LLM, ChatGPT style search experience, and using machine learning to build your own sector classifications to find targets if you're looking for really sort of super niche verticals, which would be happy to show you on a demonstration if you'd like to get in touch. Thank you very much.